New to InfoSWM 14.5 and H2MapSwim 14.5 from Innovice are German, French, Spanish, and Italian interfaces. So you just put Windows regional settings, and you see the language on your computer. In addition, we have new hydrology methods that are totally compatible with the SWM 5 LIDs. Groundwater, water quality, and infiltration options. And these are German runoff, modified rational method, San Diego modified rational method, SB, Santa Barbara hydrograph, Snyder and Clark from HMS, Delmarva, which is an SCS version, triangular NRSCS, dimensionless unit hydrographs for SCS, Colorado unit hydrograph, and of course EPA SWM. In German runoff, you have it's a linear cascade, and there's two constants. You have the timing constant or the storage constant, and then a reservoir or a reservoir count. So that can go from from 1, 2, 3, or 4. So we go ahead and run this. And this is our German GreenVille SI demo. So everything is in German, even the dialogues and the attribute browser. So you click on the runoff, and the runoff basically, there's no runoff for that guy. Click on another one. There we are. Now we have our runoff, and the shape, the peak of the runoff shape is dependent upon the constant, the length constant, and then the storage effect or the length is based on n. So if you want to make this longer, you increase the reservoir count, etc. Okay. And those should be only between 2 and 1, 2, 4. So let's go over here and let's look at our numbers. And that one was weird. So that was the one that had no flow. Somehow we got a 2 in there. So we come over here, block edit, we can make this a 2, add 1 to it, now they're all 2. So go ahead and run it again. And what's nice about this is, now we come over to our graph again, refresh it all. Now you see with the 2, we have more storage going on. What's nice about the German runoff, which is a linear storage, sort of like the older Douche version from 1950s, is, if you come over here to Run Manager, it works with everything. It works with flow routing, groundwater, snowmelt, RDII. It also works with all the different infiltration methods, including evaporation and the evaporation periods and LIDs. So you can also use this with InfoSWM Sustain and use all of these various hydrology methods with Sustain and LIDs. So it's a lot nicer and a lot more flexible than the EPA Sustain, which only uses EPA SWM nonlinear reservoir. So thank you for listening. This has been a brief introduction to German hydrology, which is brand new to Innovice's InfoSWM 14.5.